all are knowing the chapter name is How, When and Where. What we will know in this chapter? The main thing we will know is about date. Which kind of date? Date is very important. Every day is a date, and we all are maintaining our day wise routine according to the dates. But which kind of dates are important for us? The date where something happened very special thing, or there is a birthday, there is something special thing which is going on a particular date. That days and that dates are important in our history. Whatever the history we are going to understand here, this history is started from first Governor General Warren Hastings, and it ends with Viceroy Lord Mountbatten. And in different kind of chapters we will know what they have done for our country. In history we all are knowing we are very Englishmen were very torturable. They have done so many unwanted things in our country, and so that we fought against them and we got freedom. But in between the time, how they have done so many good things for us. Today, whatever the studies we are taking in schools, the education system, the condition of the ladies in this country, the traveling system, they have all maintained by their self. This started from these people only. And whenever we are going to understand, the first thing, time has been divided, and it is divided into three periods, as I have already told you.